What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and internet connection issue on your Redmi 13 5G. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, tap on more connectivity options. Now here tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth, and then tap on reset settings. So when you will tap on this option here, it will ask you for your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and after entering the correct pin, password or pattern, it will reset the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth settings back to default and your issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and internet connection problem in your Redmi 13 5G. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.